is a Komodo dragon from Indonesia. He is a movie director. He is trying to film a movie about an ancient Greek war starring Antony and his friends. He plans on using a catapult in the movie, but he can't use rocks because he doesn't want to hurt his friends. So he decides to use dough instead. Before they begin filming, Como calls his super smart scientist friend, Einstein, to learn more about how catapults work. Einstein was in his lab talking to Sebastian about the BRAINopolis anniversary party when Como called. He was happy to use his super powerful computer to help Como learn more about catapults. A catapult is a machine that throws objects. Catapults were originally created as weapons that could attack an enemy from far away. The first catapults were invented around the year 400 BC by the ancient Greeks. Catapults were commonly used in fighting wars, launching aircrafts, on tennis courts, and they can even be used for launching water balloons or breaking windows. Perhaps you can think of other uses for a catapult. The catapult throws objects at different distances based on their weight and mass. The lever on a catapult can throw the same object different distances when it is drawn back to different angles. The science behind the catapult can be used to help us explain one of Newton's laws of motion. Newton said that when throwing objects, 3 things need to be considered: speed, weight, and force. In other words, when we use a catapult, the speed, or acceleration, of the object we are throwing will depend on how heavy or compact the object is, and will also depend on the force used to throw it. In fact, Newton created a formula that says force is equal to mass times acceleration. Sebastian learned so much about the catapults from listening to Einstein. In fact, Sebastian came up with the great idea of using a catapult for flattening a large piece of dough that they can use to make a giant pizza for the BRAINopolis party. Como didn't win an Oscar for his movie, but everyone got to eat some tasty pizza. Yum!
Look for the experiment on our website, www.brainopolis.org. And remember, the more you play, the more you learn.